Hey, the good folks over at J-Zone sent me this dash cam. This is model B630. This is a 3-channel dash cam. It has a 4K, a 1080, and a 1080. Night vision, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, loop recording, built-in GPS, G-sensor, WDR, app control, and parking mode. Let's get it opened up and see what we have in the box, and then we're going to take it out and try it out, because that's what's important. Okay, let's get right to it. Whoa, that's kind of cool looking. Look at that, y'all. Your cabin camera, you can rotate. Look at that. Cabin camera is one that's going to record what's inside your vehicle. That's nice that it will pivot like that. And of course, we have our front camera. That pivots a little bit as well. Have all our accessories here. We have a long USB to USB-C cord. We have our rear camera. We have a pry bar. This is used to pull down your upholstery just a little bit so you can tuck the cable up in behind it. Have some clear sheets. This is mounting it. You can stick this to your glass and then stick your camera to this. We have our user manual, and we have a cigarette adapter here. You'll plug your power cord into here. It does have a QR code in front of your manual. You can download that to install the app on your phone. It does come with a 64 gigabyte SD card. Okay, we have our menu and mode button. We have our up button, our lock, and our Wi-Fi button. Our down button, and our confirm/OK button. Have a large LCD screen there. Here we have our cabin camera. This will be what's in the inside of your vehicle. And then our front-facing camera. Power button right here. We have our SD card slot, our rear camera plug right there, a reset button, and our USB-C cord, which is our power cord to get power to the camera. This is our adhesive. This is what will stick to our windshield, but we can use these clear sheets to put right there, and this will stick to your windshield, and this will stick to this. Let's go get it hooked up and see some video samples. Okay, you'll want to run your cord right up here, down your headliner, down, around your dash, into your floor, and then it'll run to the back end back there. You plug in this end to a power outlet.
Video mode. Please format the memory card before first-time use. Format successful.
Okay, you'll hit the menu button to move over to the next one. Use your up and down arrow to change your times.
Video mode.
And there we go.
Started.
Let's plug in our rear camera now. But I was wanting to get this camera going so we'd know where to set the rear camera. So what did y'all think about the video quality of this dash cam? It has that STARVIS 2 sensor in it. It does a great job. Hey, I went ahead and installed the app. I'm going to do a little screen recording on my phone, just kind of tell you what is on there. So you have the video resolution. You can change that to the different settings there, as you see. I've got it set to the highest quality ones. And loop recording, WDR, exposure, auto recording, G-sensor, volume, frequency, date and time format, screensaver, cabin mirror, language, picture-in-picture, to just the front camera if you wanted just the front camera, or just the internal camera, or all. Time zone, speed in units, you can set that to kilometers or miles per hour. I'll leave it at miles per hour. All this was preset. I really didn't change anything. Pretty much good to go. The only thing I did was change the time on it. On the video stamps, you can turn your date and time, speed, GPS coordinates, and logo on and off, whatever you would like to do. Synchronize time. When you've got the app installed on your phone and hooked up to your phone, you can synchronize that time on the camera to your phone. You can format the SD card from your app and your Wi-Fi settings, default settings, and firmware version. So as you see, you can do quite a bit with the app, but you really don't need the app. Once you get everything set up the way you want, you're good to go. This is definitely a thumbs up dash cam. I really like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.